Afternoon, everybody. This is Rob from MakeMoneyAudit.com and the YouTube channel Make Money Audit. So today we're going to do an audit of one of my favorite YouTuber gurus who seems to crank out a lot of ideas. I'm sure he has teams of people thinking these things up. Makes videos on it and tries to sell his affiliates. Excuse me, sorry about that. But I basically built this website to confirm or debunk or call bullshit on whether or not these YouTube guru business make money ideas are legit. Now, the YouTube or the channel that we're looking at right now, MakeMoneyAudit.com, is built with up to 35 years of experience. I've been a consultant for over 35 years. I'm kind of retired now, but I still do this occasionally. But I got so tired of seeing these YouTube guys claiming all this make money on AI, make money on this, make money on that crap, that I built the channel and I built the website basically to debunk it or say, yeah, it's a good idea before somebody spends money and you get scammed. So that being said, we're going to go over to YouTube and we're going to do my analysis on one of my favorite YouTubers, Chris Koerner, in the Koerner office. So his this video is about the only playbook you need to sell anything online. Okay, let's take a look. So what we need to do the audit is a copy of the transcript, which is down here in the description. You can grab that there. Paste it in the video transcript, and then you're going to need the URL, which is up in the top left. Okay, once you grab that, we're going to paste it in there, and then we're going to confirm that we have the right video. Yep, looking at the thumbnails, we do. Okay, so then we hit Run Audit. So this AI tool is going to go back in and analyze all the parameters I put in that I would put on a normal business idea if somebody contacted me when I was working. So got a C, which is pretty surprising for most of the stuff that Chris does. So let's see here. Selling digital products via short form videos. Okay, well, yeah, we can do that. The video pitches creating and selling digital products such as knowledge-based playbooks for around $97. Okay. Speaker claims to have made over $120,000 profit in 30 to 45 days by leveraging short-form videos, content built around an audience. Yeah, he has how many subscribers? 595,000 subscribers. So no shit, you're going to make some money. It is saying that it is risky, significant red flags, most won't recoup investment. Yeah, because they don't have 500,000 subscribers and all the bullshit he says that he has. All right, so time to ROI is building a substantial engaged audience, email list. Yeah, from scratch, developing, including launch a product. Realistically, it takes 6 to 18 months. Yeah, almost a year and a half. Claim 35 to 45-day profit, highly anomalous with the realize the existing established email list and the ones people that he's already dealing with. Market is saturated or high. Yep, digital products, especially make money ones, niche, extremely saturated. Why do you think I built this channel? To debunk these type of things. Economic analysis, startup costs are relatively low. It doesn't cost you much. Phone, basic editing, software, marketing, go high level. Yeah, it's all he produced or he tries to sell is go high level affiliates. Now, go high level it's good. I mean, I don't use it, but I've talked to people that have used it, and I've even advised a few of my prior clients to use it. Realistic creators selling 97 product will need a few hundred to a few $1,000s initially, but claimed 120,000. It's not saying you can't make money on it. I'm just saying it's not going to be very easy to make money on it. Let's see, risk factors. The model carries high time commitment. Yeah, a lot of hours put into it. It requires strong skills, content creation, video editing, copywriting, digital marketing. There's the key right there, digital marketing. With 500,000 subscribers, it's not hard or to make any type of money. Who could purpose this? Wait, who should pursue this? God, I can't read my own website. Okay, the individual with existing expertise, you acknowledge strong communication skills, which I apparently don't have now, and high tolerance for constant long-term effort could potentially succeed. Yeah, right. If you don't have 500,000 subscribers, you're not going to get crap. The path, who shouldn't? Pretty much anybody who doesn't have that many subscribers or has time to kill. The path is unsuitable for those seeking quick, easy money. Yeah, no kidding. Or passive income. This is anything but passive. It is very time consuming from what I can tell. Just looking at the general idea. I guess even a C is risky. I put it down more toward D, which means run away. I don't think this is a good idea at all. In my professional opinion, I wouldn't do it. But as a disclaimer, you guys do your own due diligence. If you think it's an idea and you want to do it, pursue it. I'm only giving you my opinion, and that is based off 35 years of doing this type of work. Now, one thing you can do, since if you do another audit, like you click here, run another audit on somebody else, this goes away, so you're not going to have it no more. So you can do two things. You can download it to a PDF, basically save it, print it, make your notes, scribble it, piece of paper, whatever you want to do. You can share it if you want to send it to somebody else. If you sign up for the email, I don't send you spam or any crap like that. What I'll do is when I start getting things together, I'll send you a newsletter. Basically, these are the ones I audited myself. No YouTube video. Or there is a YouTube video, but you can just go and look at your email, print it, and do if you want to look at them and check them out or not. But basically, like I said, I built this channel to either prove or disprove these gurus' claims. I would give Chris, this one is a C, which is all the ideas that I've done and looked at him, very few are C's. He mostly gets D's. Simply because he's blowing hype up your skirt. Sorry for the ladies that are watching this, but his deal is he makes the money off of basically tries to sell you affiliate links, which is cool. Got it? Everybody wants to do it. Everybody's going to do it. No problem. But when you sell affiliate links to an idea that sucks ass or sucks, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a C, which is risky, and that's just not a good idea. Like I said, I would give it a D, but my analysis on this, my website, gave it a C. So, anyways, I will be offering here coming up pretty soon is a one-time audit for $27. See, I'm selling my own stuff here, even though I just gave a bunch of crap that he's selling his, which is fine. It's how we make money on these things, and don't get me wrong. I enjoy making YouTube videos, but I also enjoy making money. If you want to call me out on that, that's fine, go ahead. But basically there'll be a link in the YouTube description. You click it and you give me the details on what kind of business you're thinking of. Does not have to be anything to do with YouTube. Does not have to be a YouTube video you saw or what have you. It can be a business you're thinking about starting or thinking about wanting to buy. I can give you an audit. So anyways, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.